Welcome to St. Joseph College.
Jnandeep Mandal's St. Joseph College of Arts and Commerce was established on 25th August 1995 and is permanently affiliated to University of Mumbai and University Grants Commission. St. Joseph College is run by Jnandeep Mandal Uttar Vasai, established by late Reverend Father Bhandari, Reverend Father John Rumau, Monsignor Francis Correa, and run by trustees from North Vasai. It provides a warm and caring environment for last 25 years in the field of education with a mission and vision of imparting quality education to the students in the rural areas without any discrimination of caste, creed and religion. St. Joseph College stands in the lush green area of Satpara, Virar West District, Palghar. How to reach us? After getting down at Virar railway station, you get a sharing auto rickshaw till Satpara stop, and from here, taking a quiet walk with Mother Nature will nurture your mind, body and soul on Razodi Beach Road, passing Satpara Lake through palm trees, open spaces, local dwellings. After 10 minutes walk, on the left side are the gates of this magnificent education hub. As you enter the campus, the statue of St. Joseph, our patron saint, showers his divine mercy and bless you with value-based education and spiritual guidance. We offer courses as Junior College with Arts and Commerce streams. Specialized subjects of IT and Maths are available. Bachelor of Arts Traditional course, Bachelor of Commerce Traditional course, Bachelor of Commerce with Specialized Accounts and Finance, Bachelor of Commerce specialized in Banking and Insurance, Bachelor of Management Studies specialized in HR, Marketing and Finance. Postgraduate level education is also available here. MA with Marathi, MA with Economics, MCom with Accountancy and MCom with Management specializations. The campus inhabits 2.5 acres of land and has an excellent infrastructure for students to not only complete their degree but also hone their life skills. The college owns 5 acres of land for upcoming extension plans. Our team of teachers, young, energetic, creative, dynamic and dedicated faculties help students to draw out their skills and talents in a student-friendly environment which is beneficial for teaching and learning. Our team consists of 7 PhD holders and 11 NETSET qualified teachers to help students to prepare themselves for the competitive world ahead. Some of our teachers have also been invited to University of Oxford, London for research paper presentations. We are proud of it. In order to make teaching learning more effective, our teachers make use of contemporary teaching tools and techniques such as classroom discussions, debates, case studies and paper presentations. In addition to the conventional methods of teaching, particularly in the lockdown period, e-learning methodology has been initiated such as PowerPoint presentations, conducting webinars, online lectures, guiding and inspirational videos and discussions. You can get information of our college from our YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram account and our website given on the screen. Students are given exposure to the corporate world by conducting visits to SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, educational visits, historical visits and industrial visits. International conferences, annual day, sports day, Urmi, the management event, freshers induction program, farewell program has given this college distinct image in the hearts and minds of our students. Along with the academics and extensive, vibrant co-curricular programs including NSS, DLLE, sports, cultural activities and events for spiritual growth of the students. College promotes various activities such as intercollegiate sports and cultural for overall development of students. The annual magazine Josephites creates a platform for students showcase their writing skills through articles, songs, poems and many more. The college is well equipped with spacious classrooms, upgraded computer lab, huge cricket ground, auditorium, modern gymkhana and the enlightening library cum reading room is the heart of this institution. The premises ensures safety and security by CCTV surveillance round the campus. Here are some moments of pride. Ms. Shifa Korea, Gold Medal in MCOM Accountancy in the year 2015. Ms. Lalita Pereira, Gold Medal in MA Marathi in the year 2017-18. Ms. Jyoti Mhatre, Best NSS Volunteer at State Level. The remarkable success of St. Joseph College as a center of excellence should be attributed to its belief of not limiting learning process just to the classrooms, but extending it to all the aspects of students' life. Thank you for watching this video.